Key to Life is a manifestation of passion. Passion for life on this planet. We believe we have a responsibility to leave the world a better place than we found it. We do not inherit the earth from our parents, but we borrow it from our children. We are dedicated to science, education, and innovation in the practice of organic and environmentally sustainable agriculture, horticulture, and hydroponics. We are proud to be assembled of like-minded, innovative, and tenacious individuals, the sum of which is greater than ourselves. We are relentless in our quest for continuous improvement of ourselves for our planet. We measure success by the success of those we serve. We believe with great business comes great responsibility. Responsibility to do the right thing, to give back, to be part of something bigger. We're proud to be part of the 1% for the Planet Network, fighting for a better future. How? 1% at a time. It may not sound like much, but when we all commit to be just a little better, 1% adds up. Join us in our pursuit for building a better future for all of us. Be better with Key to Life Supply.